This 5-minute solution will show you how to log out WhatsApp from all other devices in iPhone. So if your WhatsApp account login from multiple devices and now you want to remove all other devices, follow these easy steps. On your iPhone, open WhatsApp application, tap on settings, tap on linked devices, and here you will get the list of all other devices using your WhatsApp account. To remove any of them, just tap on the device, tap on log out, and that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.